Welcome everyone to Kabod Foto video. Over here on this video, you're gonna be seeing the process and the before and after installing the fence around the house. So you're gonna be enjoying pictures, photos of the property, aerial view, drone footage, drone video, but you're gonna be seeing before they install the fence and after that they install the fence. In the description of this video, you're gonna find a link that is gonna connect you with my Facebook page, and over there you can contact me if in the area of Florida you're needing a fence to be installed in your house, and I'm doing free quotes. So just let me know. Go to the description of this video and press the link, and then on Facebook contact me. Also, you can go directly to there's also a link in Signal. There's an app called Signal where you can actually call me or text me. So yeah, it's a great video and I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel, like, leave me a great comment. I love the comments. And let me know what kind of drone pilot I am. I'm driving good, I'm driving bad. I don't know, what is your opinion about this drone pilot, myself that is driving over here? On the end of the video also, I'm gonna do a complete route of around the whole area through the houses. So just wait for the end of this clip, because I got some good action coming up. So hey, welcome to Kabod Foto video. There's different departments inside Kabod Foto video, and this is one of them. We install fences. So have a good one. Hey, stay tuned.